Hi, this is Brian. Welcome back to another Heroic Plus One. In our last Plus One, we continued our extended series of Plus Ones on my new The Confident Mind inspired heroic journaling process that includes making deposits into my psychological bank account via the past, present, and future. Now, I spent some time talking about some of my own personal hero bars as I tried to capture how I spend 60 seconds every morning quickly replaying a highlight reel of my past successes, deepening my absolute certainty that I have what it takes to show up and dominate my current mission. Now, right after I finished typing that, I got up and made some breakfast. I spent some time chatting with Eleanor, and I typed that with a savoring smile as I think about how cute she is now and how tall she is getting. Target swipes, I love creating micro moments of awesome with Eleanor. I love responding to bids from Eleanor. Parenthetical note, see the present tense affirmations in those target descriptions. That's another one of the ways I now make deposits into my psychological bank account in the present moment. Check out the notes on The Confident Mind for more. Then I went into the room where Emerson plays chess and chatted with him while I watched him play a game. Target swipe, I love creating micro moments of awesome with Emerson, and I love watching Emerson play chess. Quick summary, he drew the match he was playing against a great player. They both had 94% plus accuracy according to chess.com's engine, which is astonishing. And the engine says he played like a 2,450 player, which for the Goosebumps record is exactly like one of his affirmations, I play like a grandmaster. Then I asked him, hey buddy, what are the top 10 things you are most proud of? Emerson, we already talked about that. I laughed typing that, and I laugh right now. Dude, I know. The whole point is you don't think about it once in a while. How often do you think we should think about it? Emerson, all the time? Pretty much. And at least daily, right? Continuing. So, give me your top 10. Emerson says, well, I won the state championships last year, then I got second place this year. I won the Austin City Championship and the San Antonio City Championship. Note, we're both counting them off on our fingers and we're up 4. Then he says, I've done 87 days of chess tempo in a row. I study from my Grandmaster book. I beat that really good guy at the Austin Grandmaster Chess Academy. Emerson stalled on the last couple, so I helped him out. As I said, you also hit 2,000 plus on chess.com. Again, we're going through his top 10 hero bars. And you became a professional chess player at 10. And I think your lifetime earnings are like $700 playing the game you love. I typed that last line with tears in my eyes and a joyful chuckle now. Now, at the risk of spending way too much time on me and my family, I hope you found that demonstration useful with ideas on how you might be able to help a heroic kid make a list of the things they are most proud of. Whether it's in school or playing baseball or soccer, whatever it is. That's today's Plus One. Let's shine that spotlight back on the person where it belongs, which is on you. What are your top 10 hero bars? Hopefully you didn't just say, we already talked about that. To which I'd say, dude or dudette. I know, the whole point is you don't think about it once in a while. How often do you think we should think about it? Yes, often. Now, if you feel so inspired, please count them out as you say them out loud right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or better yet, write a quick list of them down again. Bonus points, go do this exercise with someone you love. One of the people for whom you are working so hard to forge the strength to consistently activate your heroic potential. Show them what it looks like to live with grounded, humble confidence and help them do the same today.